Welcome to the full market analysis. We are recording live on YouTube, so hopefully you've been watching as we make profits live on YouTube exclusively for VIP members. This is not open to the public, so if you are interested in making money in gold, becoming a professional gold trader, then you can just pop in anytime and have a look on YouTube. So what's going on today? So let's go back a little bit to the London Open. This is London Open, and we had a buy signal here. If you can see that there, buy signal there, buy signal there, everything green, really important. And so you had various opportunities. We've got about 71 pips there, and as mentioned in the VIP room, we had a sell zone appear, which is supply zone, which is perfect for a short position. And so therefore, and also look at the background of this moving average here. It went yellow and the price went up into the sell zone, into supply. So that's a fantastic way to get in on this one. You can have a really tight stop, 25 pips, 30 pips if you want. And target was the support area here, 29.41, which has now been blown away. So we had 100 pips there, and I've just banked another 100 pips on this move here. Not sure if you can see this. I've done this on my MT4 chart, but you can see here how the price come outside the zone, outside the channel, which is important, outside bars as I call them, and you can see the color of the background as well in red. So it's highly likely the price is going to give way and continue down into another buy zone at some stage. Now we do have an outside bar on demand, so that may well be a chance to get back in on a long position, but too early to say, to be honest. But let's have a look at the 15-minute chart. This is important. I posted this out into the VIP room as well. So if I spot something, I'll post it. No worries at all. And you can pop into YouTube just to make sure you're not missing anything anytime when we're live anyway. It did look interesting this morning. This is this morning's effort as the price is all green and goes up into demand, and then it all goes red into supply, and you're just selling into that supply zone, waiting for it to don't wait for anything actually, just go short on that position. So a nice position. So I don't know what we've got there. 71 plus 115 plus 100. So we've got about 300 pips today. And 300 pips is possible with gold once you've got used to the gold on steroids software. So bear that in mind. 300 pips is typical actually if you want to become a professional trader and use the gold on steroids software. So currently the price is moving into equilibrium, heading for target 2 on the left, which is 29.33. We may see a bounce there or into 29.26. Now a couple of things which is important. I've got a buy zone here at 29.21. Very strong support areas, 29.18, 29.19. Keep an eye on that. But we also have a support line here as well, which I've drawn. And I've got a nice big arrow here, which might give you a clue as to what we might expect. Again, we're talking about $3,000 in the next couple of weeks. Again, it doesn't go there in one straight line, unfortunately. I wish it did. That would be fantastic, wouldn't it? But nonetheless, we can see that if the price rejects this support line, then we can expect it to go up in the next 24 hours maybe. Let's have a quick look around and see what's going on across the board. I've gone into the 4-hour chart. I might flick around. Yeah, well, what can we say? We've had the employment data out, but nonetheless we can see that the US dollar index is not really going anywhere at the moment into an FVG, which could bounce either way, but hard to say. So we'll be leaving. It is parabolic to the downside. We can see that, everything red. And we can see the channel as well, but at the moment sideways, so we're not looking for any dollar pairs, although we are long Aussie USD actually. Have a look at that. Now interestingly, the yen futures has gone long, big fat buy signal here at 11 AM this morning UK time, and the price is going up. That means sell all your yens. Now the Swiss franc futures completely mixed. Doesn't know where to go. Looks like he wants to go down, but then it wants to look up. Who knows? Okay, we've got a lovely big fat green zone here, which is a high liquidity zone, into an FEG, and we've got a big fat buy signal as well, which is a bonus, and so heading for 63.06. Does that 63.06? 60? Yeah, 63 I do. 6300. Hang Seng. Oh, big fat buy signal by Hang Seng. Target is 24,144. Stop is 22,388. Trade at your own risk. Quick look at, no, not interested in that. Not interested in that. The DAX is parabolic. We've seen it, haven't we? We've done a few trades on this one. So buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. So it's selling at the moment. So I think it's kind of gone down into FVG at 22,268 and then bounce. Nasdaq, fantastic move, heading for our target at 22,825. If you're in it on the buy signal, congratulations, VIP members. Silver is hesitating, but nonetheless, big fat buy signal, heading for $34.10. Let's have a quick look at, yeah, oil is all over the place. Gold is going down, as I mentioned, 29.31, but still parabolic. So 29.18 is the number. 29.18 is the number to watch. Let's say 29.19, just to be safe. Quick look at the euro dollar. DXY is weakening, but pretty much sideways. We've got a buy signal on the euro dollar, but we do need to see this break from this area here, somewhere around there. Once it does, then we'll consider a long position. Aussie long, big fat buy signal, heading for 64.56. I'm just going to flick around. Haven't seen these today. Yen's going down because of the yen futures going up. That's the way it works. Congratulations to Laurie, who's been trading this today. Thanks for the analysis, Laurie. Appreciate that. Much appreciated. And everybody that wants to put in their pennies worth, they're more than welcome to, especially if you've got the advanced pro charts. That's what they're there for. So heading south, heading for 147. 300 pips there if you want it. Euro Aussie is to the downside, heading into this red zone, which is high liquidity, to the downside, heading for 162.50. Euro Canadian is hesitating a little bit, but it's all right. Got a big fat buy signal, but in a downtrend, so it should start to move down in the next couple of days. Aussie Canadian is to the upside, parabolic to the upside now, change of character, heading for 91.38 or beyond. 91.40 will do nicely. Euro New Zealand, I've got a thing here, I don't know why. Euro New Zealand is moving down. Let's have a look at the long term charts. Yeah, we've got all the sellers in. So Euro New Zealand has gone parabolic as we speak, broken support. And we've got a break of structure, so heading down. See, that's 173 pips to there. This is not a good trade for me. I would not be taking that on. Wait for a pullback. But nonetheless, definitely parabolic. So if you want to trade that, you're more than welcome. Aussie New Zealand. Now, I did mention this in the VIP room as a trading idea. Price has not come down to the buy limit. onto the FEG 11102, something like that, into this area. Once it does, we'll be in. Canadian yen, I mentioned this the other day, looking for a short. Looks like you've got the shorts here. So any kind of pullback to 106.77 is likely to pull down. So sell all the yens, wait for a pullback. Quick look at Bitcoin. I haven't seen this for a while. Not much going on in terms of Bitcoin. Quick look at gold. There it goes. There it goes. So let me mark this out for you. So we would suggest, we've got an outside bar. Good, excellent. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. This is probably hitting all targets now. Yeah, there we go. So looks like it's gone down to 1926. Just looking at my MT4 chart. Yeah, there we go. All targets hit. All targets hit. Buy, buy, buy. All right, what's happened here? We've got all targets have been hit on the gold on steroid software. So we can say that 162 pips overall, which is fantastic. It's come down onto support at 29.27 onto this line. Looks like we're having a bounce as we speak. Now the support is, as I said, 29.19. So as long as your stop is below that, you'll be fine. Let's see how this plays out. So have a wonderful day. Hopefully that's a few lessons learnt there and a few tips. And of course, the more you look at this and the more you understand, the more beneficial it becomes and the better trading you become. If you can bank 300 pips in a day with gold, you won't need anything else.